Let's talk about how to get into an online Writing Center appointment. Just like in the other videos, first we have to get to the tutoring page, which we do by going into Canvas, clicking the big T for tutoring, and staying on the left side of the page, clicking Start Now. Okay. Now, at the scheduled time for your online appointment, you are going to go to the second box on this page, Start an Existing Online Tutoring Appointment. Note that for an online appointment, please do not use a mobile phone. The software doesn't work with a mobile phone. Use a laptop or desktop computer if possible. Now, click the Start Now button, and you'll have to do a few things before getting into your appointment. The first is you will choose the type of tutoring. You will want Writing Center online if it's an online appointment, and it will ask you for the subject, which you'll probably choose Brookdale Writing Help. Then Get Help Now. When you click Get Help Now, you enter a waiting line where the tutors will be able to see that you've joined the queue. Wait patiently until your tutor invites you into the tutoring room. All right. As soon as your tutor has invited you, you'll get this notification, and you can click the Begin Lesson button in order to join ThinkingStorm. ThinkingStorm launches as a separate room. The first thing you'll have to do is allow it to use your microphone and camera. I'm going to click Allow. Hey, Bridget, can you hear me?
Hey, Leah, I can hear you.
Over on the side here, you can also send messages with your tutor. Okay, I can handle it from here, Bridget. Thanks.
Thanks.
Okay. Your tutor will normally stick around with you in order to work with you in the whiteboard and work on your writing tutoring. Okay, let's jump to a separate tutoring room just to show you some of the features. First, let's talk about controlling audio and video. You can't see my video right now because I have it disabled, but normally your video will show up over on the left, and your tutors will show up right beneath you. Click this button, this X, to enable or disable your video. If you want to change the audio settings, this button mutes incoming audio. That's the audio from your tutor. If you want to mute yourself, this button mutes or unmutes your own audio. There are a variety of ways your tutor might ask you to share your paper. That might include clicking the Screen Share button over on this side of the screen, or clicking the Upload Paper button. Follow the directions your tutor gives you in order to effectively share your paper with the tutor. There are several different methods. If you would like to use a Zoom call to meet instead, that's totally fine. We recommend you still log into the ThinkingStorm room because this is how all tutoring on campus works. Log into ThinkingStorm first. From here, you would send your tutor a message about Zoom, and they would give you a Zoom link. Regardless of how you talk with your tutor, at the time for the end of the appointment, there are a few things to do. One is to click this button down here, this orange button, and save the chat. That will give you a record of what you talked about if you sent any messages back and forth in the chat. The other thing to do is to check your Brookdale email, because your tutor will send you an email with information about the appointment. You can use that as proof for your professor that you came to the Writing Center. When time for the appointment is up, you can simply click the X right here to finish the appointment.